What's up, everyone? We're heading down to the junkyard today to see if there's anything good there. I'm just going by myself. A subscriber had messaged me and said there's an S10 at our local junkyard, first gen, and they don't come around there very often anymore. So I'm just gonna go take a look, see if there's any parts I need for mine or whatever. So let's go. I try to get out to the junkyard once in a while, just see if there's anything good there. You never know what might show up. And being winter, we don't go as often as we'd like to. Today it's not that cold out, believe it or not, so I figured go check it out and see what we can find out there. There's a 4th gen Camaro in here, which we don't see very often. It's a 6-cylinder, but could be some cool parts on it. Don't see them in here very much. I'm now inside a Cobalt SS, but it's not a supercharged or turbo, it's just a 2.4. I'm gonna see. Oh, it's broken. I was gonna take this little emblem, SS emblem off, but I see part of it snapped off here. So I don't think I'll bother. Alright guys, this is kind of why I came today. Check out this first gen. Like I said before, they don't come in here that often, so it's always good to come take a look. Plus, in the winter time like now, not as many people come. It is super not busy here today, so it's a good day to come and good time to come, because chances are stuff hangs around a lot more. This one's got a 2.8 V6. I'm not really seeing anything I need, but like I said, it's always good to look. You never know. It does have the late model grille. There's another 5.3 or 4.8. Not really seeing anything I need off of there. I think I'm going to grab me this 4-corner cooling thingy off of here. Possibly put it on the S10 maybe? I don't know, it looks in really, really good shape, and it's only 4 bolts. Might as well grab it. Some people say these 4-corner cooling things are really good to have, so like I said, it's here, it's a part. It's easy to get off. Might as well snag one. Sweet. Gasket O-ring. Alright, sweet. Always find something at the junkyard that's worthwhile. And like I said, this one's in really, really nice shape, so cool. Like usual, there's lots of LS's here, 5.3s and whatnot. So far, nothing super special. Old Pontiac, crushed. Shit. Bunch of old cars they crushed up. Old 64 Pontiac. This is like a 50s. Old truck all squished up. That's a shame. One fairly complete. This one, mostly all there still. Nothing I need though. You know, guys are always talking about from when we pulled the engine from here for the shit horse, that L33, about how we wasted that hood, which was damaged. It was the only reason we used it. But take a look at this. Look at all these cars. Tons and tons of usable parts on them still, crushed. So I don't think they're too concerned about a crunched up hood. Neither should you. I'll tell you, this is definitely the way to pull an engine out. Like I said, they just cut the roof, rockers, pulled the whole body off. But this is the part about coming in the winter. I bet you 6-liter 4L80 and that 2500 probably had the same, both gone. Wish I would have caught them, but need to come here more. This is crazy though. Super easy. It's the best way to work on it, I guess. So that's all I ended up getting. Cost $5 for that steam port tube thing. So that's not too bad. Like I said, it's always worth coming out. You never know what's going to be out here. Like those two trucks with that did have 6 liters in them and 4L80Es. Definitely someone got a really good score on those. You got to be here at the right time to get the right deals. Anyways, let's go home. Quickly stopped at 7-Eleven. Winnipeg is the Slurpee capital of the world. Even though it's winter, it's always a good time for a Slurpee. All right, so we're back in the shop now. So here's that thing that I got. 4-corner steam tuber. And if you guys couldn't see when I was at the junkyard, these are the other things. These are like the little gaskets. So you want to make sure that you have those. I think some of them actually have a kind of like a built-in O-ring, so they don't have a gasket like this. But if you don't have the gasket, well, it'll leak. So always make sure you grab the gaskets, put them on to make sure they stay together with the thing. And then that's something to clean up, and I'll probably put it on the S10. Couldn't hurt, especially because I'm going to drive that thing quite a bit, hopefully, and hopefully that'll help keep the heads cooler. So I think now we will get the 6-liter from the shit horse that we brought here the other day, get it on the stand so that it's ready to start working on. All right, the 6-liter, which is here. I also brought the 799 heads from the shit horse, but we're actually going to switch back to the 317s because we figured that it might bump the compression up too much to have those heads with the flat top 6-liter pistons. So we're going to switch back to the 317s, which means we're going to have to take those apart, take the valve springs and seals and everything off that we put on, and switch them over to the 317s, which are sitting over there. So those will need to come apart and get cleaned up and lap in the valves and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get this on the stand. So there it is, the 6-liter is on the stand. For anybody that's new, this is the engine that was originally in our Mustang that we call the shit horse. We had put in that aluminum 5.3 and had issues with it, and it has a crack, a small crack in the block. So we've decided to kind of combine the two engines and go with the 6-liter, but we're gonna put the Gen 4 rods from the 5.3 LQ9 pistons that we ordered, some brand new ones, and the sloppy stage 2 cam and all the stuff that was in the 5.3 is now going to be in this engine. So the parts are on their way. They should be here soon. So pretty soon we're gonna get to work on this, probably within the next week. So stay tuned. But like always, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll check you later. Hey guys, just thought before I ended this video I would show you guys this stuff. This is made by Evaporust. It's a rust block. It's water-based rust inhibitor, and it says it protects steel for rust for up to 1 year. I was just about to spray some WD-40 on the cylinder walls just to hopefully make sure they don't rust before we hone them and get ready to put the pistons in. And I was going to grab the WD-40 and I remembered about this stuff, so I figured I'd give it a try. So basically all you have to do is just like WD-40, just spray it on, and it's water-based. It says that there's no oil in it. Exactly how that works, I don't know. Obviously there's no harmful chemicals in it or anything. Which kind of makes no sense. If it's water-based, why you'd want to put it on your metal, but I guess that's how it works. You spray it on, allow it to dry, and that's it. So yeah. To remove coating, rinse item with warm water and dry. So yeah, hopefully that'll keep her from getting any rust on it in here before we get a chance to, I'll spray it all over here before we get a chance to get working on it, but we are going to start working on that soon. Alright, check you later.